We are living through some interesting times. Remember, I'm not going to say uncertain because I'm trying to be positive, but hey, we're living through some interesting times right now. And so each week I'm going to come to you with ideas for your social media marketing that you can implement right now in your business. The first one we're going to talk about is serving your audience. So as you know, I'm Shannon with Shannon Lee Strategy. I help small businesses and entrepreneurs with their digital marketing and social media through coaching and consulting. I also have an amazing Facebook group, The Simplified Tribe, more on that later, where we have experts and tips and tricks in there to help you right away. It's free and we'd love to have you. So we are living through interesting times. Our kids are home. Our business plans have been shelved. Our doors may be closed, and you're thinking, what can I do when it comes to content for my web and social? All right. The first thing you want to do is ask. Ask your audience, how can I help? How can I serve you? You want to let your audience lead the way. I've seen some great examples I'm going to share throughout my series. Say you're a hairdresser with your doors closed and you're stuck at home. Maybe show some how to trim your bang videos. People are worried about their hair right now. It's like one of the things they're worried about. So maybe teach them some skills to stay top of mind so they remember to book with you when the time comes. Musicians, I'm seeing musicians out there whose concerts have been canceled and their live shows have been canceled. They are taking to going live and they are talking about how they're feeling, asking you how you're feeling, and they're playing music to help soothe anxiety. So you want to sit down and ask, how can I help? I'm seeing hotels that are shut down, showing what they're doing when they can come back online and take those non-essential travelers. Things like the GM cleaning the rooms, which I think is kind of funny. I worked in a hotel and I know that when the GM is cleaning the rooms, that's something to document. So you want to listen to your audience, you want to document, and then you want to create things that are going to help them and get them through this time, because we're not on this alone. We're all in this together. So where do you ask? Where do you ask folks, how can I serve you? You can go live on Facebook, live on Instagram, live on YouTube. You can create fun TikTok videos, Instagram stories, polls, questions. Send a survey out. Send a survey out to your email list and say, hey, I'm closed right now. What do you want to see from me? I'm seeing some amazing estheticians selling in-home kits, and they're sending them to their clientele so they can keep up their skin regimens. So this is the time to retool and pivot. And I hate that pivot word, but hey, we are, as entrepreneurs and small business owners, we are good at adjusting. And Mark Schaefer said it best, the thing different from the Big Depression and now is ingenuity. And so this is the time to really step up our game, show up for our audiences, and ask how we can serve. So if you love tips like these, every day in my Facebook group, The Simplified Tribe, I offer tips and tricks and bring experts in. I'd love to have you in there. There's a link in this description. Come and join us and let me help you with your business needs right now. Have a great day.